All right, guys, it's Dr. Nagel here at another great TRT success story. So this is Charles. It came to us a few weeks ago. History of the military, police officer, college football player. I mean, this guy's this guy's been beat up with knee problems originally. I felt that knee, and it had this like calcium. It was gravelly. We know from studies that the TRT can blow that calcium out of the tendons, and you probably felt that, right?
Oh yeah.
Anyway, knees are doing good, and then move to your hands are killing you, right?
Today, yeah. I've always had, they've been abused as well, arthritis and scar tissue, and she already did the right one, and now I could actually take a lid off the bottle where this one, that's not going to happen.
Yeah, so you couldn't though before,
Oh,
right?
no.
You couldn't squeeze it all.
No.
He's just responding really well with joints all over his body. So this is like halfway through the treatment. So the right hand did great. So we're gonna do the left hand and see how it goes.
Let me know when this feels better.
A little bit right there. There's the deep popping. Yeah, that was a nice one. Seems like I might have the same thing we had the other hand in that middle finger that I didn't know about. I can feel it radiating over there.
Let me know when the pointer finger is good, and then we'll move over to that.
It's popping pretty healthy. Oh, there you go.
Yeah?
Yeah. Must be a lot in that joint. It's going. I can feel it down into my second knuckle.
Right here?
Pretty good. It's almost there.
Here?
Cool.
Go ahead and see how that feels. You can squeeze that one now, right?
Wow.
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
And that wasn't too many pulses either. Feel good?
Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome.
Here, can you do this right
Oh, yeah,
here? Wow. This thing's crazy.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and check that thumb.
Oh, very good. Very nice.
Yeah?
Very nice. We'll come in here and just tell me where we'll go about right here. And then I can close it.